Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. In today's video, I am going to take up few questions which come in everybody's mind with regard to the students' authorization towards work and those students who are already married and have received the admission from German universities. So we are going to discuss that are the spouse of the married couple entitled to accompany the students going for study, and I am also going to discuss about what are the number of hours which students on student visa going to Germany can work from when they travel from overseas. So, without wasting your time, let us start. I want to study in Germany and bring my wife, husband, and children to Germany during my studies. Is that possible? Answer: the reunification of families of foreign students is usually only considered if the student is in possession of a residence permit. If the marriage existed at the time of said permit being granted, and if the duration of the foreigner's stay in the federal territory is expected to exceed 1 year. Furthermore, the student has to be able to support himself, herself, and his her family without assistance of public funds. For families to join students in Germany, they would have to apply for a visa for family reunification from the competent Germany mission abroad. Details on the documents to be presented with the visa application are often available on the German website of the German mission abroad or directly from the mission itself. Can someone work in Germany on dependent visa? Yes, the dependent can work in Germany if they can find a job. The dependent does not have to make any changes to the residence permit. The only extra document they might need to start work is the work permit. Question 3. Can you bring dependents on student visa? In general, your spouse or common law partner will be included in your own immigration application. The dependent children of your spouse can also be included in your visa application. Question number 4. Work authorization for students. For the student applicant, the work authorization is as under. The student must be over 18 years of age. International students in Germany are allowed to work for up to 120 full days or 240 half days of the year. Do note that a job as a research assistant or student assistant at your university will not be counted towards your limit. Overseas students can work full time in Germany during their regular university breaks. They can also work additional hours if their job can be considered to be mandatory work under certain regulations. An internship during semester break, even if unpaid, will be regarded as normal work and subtracted from the 120-day credit balance. Required mandatory internships are part of the course, do not count. Non-EU students are not allowed to work as a freelancer or in a self-employment capacity. Those aiming to work longer than the 120-day limit must take specific permission for the same. The Foreigners Registration Office and the local employment agency issue these permissions. The recommended course of action for anyone looking at part-time work while studying abroad in Germany would be to find a job that is related to their field of study. This way, not only do they stand to gain in terms of covering their living expenses, but they can also use the work experience gained to add credits to their studies. Apart from this, there is work authorization for spouse, that how much a spouse can work. So answer to this is, in general, spouses are given the same rights as the spouse is already in Germany. Therefore, if the spouse in Germany has the right to work, the spouse who comes to join him or her will also have the right. But also note that only work permit holders can apply for dependent visas. So guys, these are the questions and answers given on the websites, and this is a very authentic information. If I analyze this information, I can say that the married couples can go to Germany, but for that, first the student who are married have to go on a student visa. After that, uh, once they reach to Germany, they have to apply for a residence permit. Once they get the residence permit, they can call their spouse on that permit, and the precondition is, there is one precondition when the married couples are going, that when they take admission and when they apply for immigration, they should have already been married at the time of submission of the immigration application. And yes, they can also take their dependent children below the age of 18. And this is the information that the married couples can go. And the additional information for the spouses is that spouse of a married student can also work, and they get the same rights as the student who is calling their spouse to the country. They get the same rights, each one of them. So, and as far as the children are concerned, as you are aware, the education is free in Germany. So obviously the children also have the right to study there on free education in the schools of Germany. Apart from this, the students who are going to Germany, those who are singles, they get the chance to work in addition to their studies for 120 hours, 120 days full time, or 240 days half time, which means full time means 40 hours a week and half time means 20 hours a week. And I hope this information is sufficient as far as knowing the benefits of going on a student visa to Germany. After making this video, I will be making another video for the spouses, that how they have to apply and when they have to apply for their dependent student visa, because the wives of these married students, they have to apply for the dependent family reunification visa. So guys, I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any question, you are most welcome to put the questions in the comment box. At this point of time, I would request you that if you find my content helpful to you, kindly subscribe my channel to keep me motivated to prepare more such videos. Thank you so much.